guys, it's Tech. Today we have got 3 packages from DARAZ.PK and let's just unpack these things. The first one I'm gonna do is this tripod stand. So that's all. So this one is a tripod 3120 with a 3-way head, built-in level 4 seconds aluminum legs and quick lever. So let's just unbox this thing. Okay, we have got the trader's card and then a free holder and a bag which is having this tripod. Okay, so this tripod is around about 3 levels it's having. Okay, so not of a good quality, just average quality according to its price range. I got it in $5, and then it's a lever where you can just place your phone over here by this. Okay, yeah, just place it over here, place your phone, and now you can change the level and you can adjust it too with this nut, and that's all. You can rotate too. So that's a tripod stand. Let's just take it aside and I'll make a review on this. The second thing is RGB light. This is this is the strip itself. This is the color changing adapter with this antenna to change your remote, to control it with this remote. Okay, and this is the plug where you just have to plug these wires within, and then this is the adapter. I'll make another shot of this RGB tube later on, so let's just take it aside too. The third thing, my favorite, these are so i7s wireless earpods. So these are open. These are like this, cheap quality box, not of good quality. You can use them with iOS and Android. Quite a bigger as compared to the Apple earpods. A wire to charge this box, like a charger for the earpods. This is the user manual. Let's take it aside and let's just open this up. One-handed one. Yeah, you can open it up with one hand. Okay, so let's just take it out. Not that much difficult, but I want to tweak it up like this. So let's just talk about this thing. It's like this. Okay, it boots it up with a light, and
I've never been so wide awake. No, nobody but me can keep me safe, and I'm on my way.
So this is the it's blinking. The one which is connected is not blinking, and the one which is not connected is blinking. It can show you like, so the sound quality is like this. Let me just take it to the earpiece. Now both are connected, but I don't know why it's blinking still. So that's the not a big better quality as compared to the Apple earpods, but according to the price range, these are, I consider, a Bluetooth headphones like these are a better one, a better choice to pick up. And that's all. Just take it in. So guys, now I have plugged this LED strip with the adapter and a power plug. So it's like a simple plug and play. This one is the, I told you, it's Nina, and this is the remote. Let me just show you. The W means constant. It just makes the light constant, and here you can change the color variants: red, all green, all blue, and then a combination of red and green, combination of red and green and blue. And this one is to change the speed, like if I change the flash mode, and then I just changes the speed up to like this. It just increases the speed like this, and now you can decrease the speed too. You can make it slower and you can make it faster, like up to your standard, like up whatever you like. This one is the fade, and it just makes the lights glow and just fade out. And this one is a smooth mode, same like a fade, not a flash and a fade mixture, and then a strobe. This one is what I believe is a good one, but if we decrease the speed, it would be like a better one. Yeah, changing colors. So this was the LED strip. I got this in, again, $5, and what I believe is a cool one. Now come to the tripod stand. Yes, this is the tripod stand, and itself, let's consider the quality. This is the quality, and the good thing about this stand is, what I found is, this water level is for the to check whether you are making your phone right up there or having a tilted one. So just make your standardized. And then this is a 3-level. So what I like about this thing, this tripod stand is 3-level tripod stand. So not of good quality, but still worth of $5 is, it's good. So let's just take you to the AirPods. So here I am charging my AirPods. These were having a battery low, so when it will be charged, I'll show you how these works. And I found that these are having 2 hours of battery, and I got these with $7.5 with shipment, and that's all. It's having a LED light over here, and a blue light blinks when it's full charge, and a red one when it is charging. And this is a button, power button, and there it is, USB jack. And then let me just show you inside it. Inside it there is a charging pin over there, you can see, okay, where this just gets in and just gets plugged and charged. The tripod is also having a rubber leg tip, quick lever lock, 4-section legs, and 3-way handling. You're also getting a mobile holder, which is also a good feature available in this box. And if we talk about the RGB, it's just a cool looking RGB and a standard one. So according to this price range, this is good. If we talk about these AirPods, we are getting a frequency of 2.4 GHz, microphone sensitivity of 42 decibels, and speaker impedance 32 ohms. And talking about the battery capacity, each AirPod is having a battery capacity of 65 mAh, and the whole power bank is having 950 mAh battery, while the input DC voltage is 5 volt. And the talking about the charging time, it just takes 1 to 2 hours for charging, and standby time is 100 hours, and the battery output is 2 hours. So it's just a mediocre one. And if we talk about the transmission distance, is 12 meters only. So overall this package is good. That's all for today. If you like this video, go subscribe my channel and hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks guys.